So there are different kind of application in space. So first of all, producing oxygen in space is a new concept. It has never been done before, and there are several possibilities. NASA started their oxygen generation program for the purpose of refilling spacesuit oxygen tanks, because so transporting spacesuit grade oxygen to the International Space Station in high pressure gas tanks is safe and effective, but the gas tanks is relatively large and heavy. And so as NASA works to extend spacesuit operations beyond the low Earth orbit and to the surface of the Moon and Mars, launch costs increase, and it becomes more important to minimize the size and weight of the oxygen recharge system. And in addition to that, in addition to spacesuit oxygen tank recharge, there are other human space flight applications that can benefit from ion technology. Ion, so what we call ion is a product name, is a technology name of the technology, can refill high pressure tanks of oxygen for contingency breathing oxygen. If the primary oxygen delivery system is unavailable for a short time, astronauts can breathe oxygen from the contingency tanks. And when the primary oxygen system returns to service, ion can recharge the contingency tanks. And ion can also help to purify and pressurize oxygen generated from lunar soil. NASA is collaborating with a company named Blue Origin on one such process. You may know Blue Origin. Blue Origin has a program called Blue Alchemist that uses lunar soil to produce solar panels and aluminum wire and potentially also oxygen. And the oxygen generated by the core Blue Alchemist process is not pure enough to meet the propellant grade specifications. But if this oxygen is fed into an ion system, the ion could purify this oxygen and produce an oxygen product that is pure enough to be used for propulsion. So you see there are many different possible applications for this kind of technology in space.